Are you a business owner who makes a solid plan in the morning and then forget that it exists within 2 hours? If yes, you're not alone, but let's fix that. I'm Rashmi Joshi, born into business and obsessed with systems. I've bought and streamlined a 25-year-old business, automated it, and scaled it. Now I help entrepreneurs do the same with their business with the magic of systems. And this video is part of a special series on how to first set systems for yourself before you set them for your business. Because the mindset starts with you. In the last video, we talked about starting your day with a plan. Just a quick list, rough time estimate, little structure. It sounds so doable, right? But here's where most people go wrong. They feel great after making the plan and then completely ignore it for the rest of the day. That's like switching on Google Maps for a road trip, feeling all ready, and then deciding not to look at it while driving. You might still reach your destination, but with a few detours, wasted time, and a lot more stress than necessary. So here's what we're focusing on today. Sticking to your plan and recentering yourself throughout the day. Because let's be honest, your day will not go exactly as planned. A client will call, someone from your team will need something urgent, your child's school will randomly declare a half day, life will happen. But the trick is, be aware of where your time is going, so your whole day doesn't spiral out of control. There was a time when I made a perfect plan for my day. Everything looked beautifully sorted, but one of the tasks was something I loved doing. So instead of 20 minutes, I spent 2 whole hours on it, fully immersed. It felt great in the moment until I looked at the clock that one delay had quietly derailed my entire day. Since then, I always stick to my checkpoints because I can't afford to not get my work done just because I got carried away. So think of your plan like a budget, but instead of money, it's time. If one task overruns, you've got to rebalance the rest because time doesn't stretch magically. You'll either delay everything else or you'll carry leftover tasks into tomorrow, adding stress to a day that hasn't even begun yet. So the smart thing to do, adjust in real time. Can you shorten the next meeting? Can you reply to emails in 20 minutes instead of 40? Small course corrections. That's the game changer. So here's the simple habit I want you to try. Check your planner every couple of hours. Just glance at it. Ask yourself, am I following the plan I set? Do I need to adjust anything? What's the most important thing right now? Because here's the bigger insight. This habit isn't just about time management. It's the foundation of great business systems. If you want your business to run smoothly, you need systems that will show you what should be happening and what's actually happening. And that skill starts with how you run your day. So for this week, commit to one thing. Check in with your plan at least 3 times a day. Do it for 7 days. You'll be surprised at how much calmer and more in control you feel. Because this isn't just about productivity. It's about clarity. When you keep checking in, you're not just following a plan, you're constantly recentering yourself. If you're liking this series on setting up systems for yourself, before we jump into business systems, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. If you've liked what I'm talking about, please keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.